Good evening, guys. How are you? Hope you're doing well. I'm sorry I couldn't make a video interview because now I'm discussing about topic is very long, so that in my phone it is taking a very too long process that I couldn't able to store it in the YouTube. So that's why I'm recording this video. I'm recording this audio. Today I'm discussing about the topic is how to overcome our overthinking. You know, overthinking is mainly defined as it is a very exhausting process, guys. Really, for example, for example, you take A and B, oh, like overthinking and thinking. First, A is and A in thinking process. A is thinking only for B in a straight line process. Due to overthinking, A is going somewhere around and giving round circles and circles, and it becomes it becomes very, like, it can't get any destination until it becomes clumsy directions, and until at last it is B direction. That is called overthinking. For example, in your when you overthink, thoughts run over your head around and round and round, and is stuck there only, and we can't unable to move forward, and we can't concentrate on anything, and we start coming up with a bad ideas that is totally opposite to each other. For example, you say that, if you get a job, if you get placed in a job interview, you know we think that I wonder if they like me, or if I clear the exam, whether I can able to sustain the job or not. Some for the kind of overthinking, we can't concentrate on anything, and we start blaming ourselves for small things, that we didn't do anything, we didn't do anything to anything about ourselves, or we didn't hurt to anybody. It is, it is mainly it is simply it is a simply act, like, thinking about something, or thinking about too much, for nothing, if for something, for there is no important. you know I know the feeling that it's a energy draining process. While I'm studying about this in Google, and it says that also in YouTube. Mainly, I'm following these 8 steps, to avoid overthinking process. First step is, if you first mainly the first if you get overthinking process, then immediately change the story, and we should tell ourselves that I can I you know for example, we should say it out loud. I am very successful. I can be at time in the morning, and I will get up morning at 4:30. And we should say that I can get a new job, I can get into a new nice relationship, or any I can get a new project, so that you know so that we build up self confidence, by saying, by not saying that I can never be on time, like I'm not in a morning person, I can't do anything in life, like, yeah, I will not get up in morning times, I will not get any relationship. Instead of saying that, you should say the positive thing, so that you should say positive like 10 times in our head, or almost 20 times. I'm the like and if you tell that, like, instead of saying I'm a overthinker, or I'm always worry about things, if I'm always thinks about on my mind, so that I can get a new job, or whether I can sustain it. Instead of doing this, we should do, like, we should think positively. Like before I said, we should think in positively, that mainly I'm in charge in my emotions, that I can control my overthinking process. Like, instead of saying, we should tell about 10 times. The first step is that main, and second step is we should let it go of past. The second step is main important in our actions, guys. For example, if in the past we have done something wrong, or we can't change the past, or we harm some friends at sometimes in on the past, or family or friends, so that we can't do anything undone. And by thinking of the past, we get ourselves that, we become so delusion sometimes that uh, by thinking of the past, we get mood spoiled, or we can't think any positive things, or we think only negative things what happens, and it burdens, and it creates a very burdens on mistakes, and also grudges that the past and we can't take any action in the present. So the main step is we should let it go of the past, and we should think about the future, what happens. And if we think that, like, if we think in that way, the mental space is, occupied mental spaces, it becomes very clear, and we can think positive ways. And the third step is we should stop our thoughts. We should stop our thoughts in the moment itself, and practice, and we should practice about present. Like, for example, in the heat of overthinking, and we should try to say that, no, I'm not going to have these thoughts right now, I'm not going to give in. Before our attention to where you are here now, first we should breathe and focus, where are you, like, what do I feel, what's on my mind, and what is stressing out. And by doing this, we should breathe in. First we should do breath exercise, and then we should write any journals, or we should write down our thoughts on our book. And while I was studying, researchers showed that while writing our thoughts in a book, it should calm down our overthinking process. It's very helpful process, guys. I think we should do this, guys. And also, we should say it loud, I'm not giving up, I'm not whether you can't write a journal, or you can do this process also, guys. Like, mainly we should say it loud, like, I can do this, I can the past doesn't matter, the future is only my goal. And we should control myself, like, we should say it loud 10 times. And the third step and the fourth step is, like, mainly we should focus, like, on what we can control. For example, if we are struggling something financial issues, or any job issues, or by thinking or by overthinking, we can't solve any problem. First we have to help that doesn't do any help. What we have to think is, what should I do to pay the bills, or what should I do to achieve my success. We should think in positive ways. While thinking positive ways, that's how it shifts our mind in positive ways only. And the main thing, fifth point is, first we have to identify our fears. While doing something, or while doing an interview, like, we often get, like, some irrational fears that gives that arise on our mind, that leads to overthinking. For example, we fear what others might think on ourselves, or we fear about interviews, job, seminars, or friends. What will friends do? What if they bully you, or anything? That fear is, that fear will that fear will come out, how that fear will come out entire life, and we can't with that fear we can't focus, we can't study, we can't do any such thing. What fear should to overcome fear, right? in the previous video I said that in the previous I said in the video that first we have to overcome fear, like we have to take action. What happens, what happens if fear gets through? First we have to take small step and see what happens, and the moment you take action, the moment you win a battle that with our overthinking. And if we take small actions, we can win so much, we can win battles of so many, so that we can be more fearless persons in future also. And we have to spend some time, like any confident, we have to build up some confidence, like reading some books or reading journals. And the sixth point is write down. If you have any thoughts, negative thoughts, overthinking, we should write down on books, to stop overthinking. Or we should by sleep, we should cut off the cell phones or anything while sleeping at least 2 hours to receive positive energy. And we have to talk to our problems and we have to share our problems with our friends, family members, or anyone. For example, is our work like causing any stress? No. What we should do is we should breathe exercise. We should breathe some exercise and focus on your work and think about, like, okay, good, what steps can I take to set a goals, and we should need to pursue that goals. And we should be open, honest our opinion and thoughts also, guys. And the seventh step is we should make the decision, like to become a good action on a main. And we should before taking any decision, we should count to 10, and after counting 10, and then we should take the decision whether it's correct or not. And the last step is, like, if you are any stress or if you are overthinking, we should spend time more on nature, like we should go to walking or spend time in nature. For example, go to morning walk for 1 hour or half an hour at least, then meditate yourself, and also exercise. And also while sleeping, we should unplug our all devices for 2 hours. That's it, guys. Almost 2 hours. While following this, by following this, we can get we can stop overthinking, and we can get peaceful in our life. Right now I'm doing this process, guys. I don't know, but I'm doing it. See that how it goes in my future. I'm from today onwards, I'm following this step, guys. And also I want to tell you that please follow these steps also, guys. If you overthink yourself, it will help you, guys. Right? From today onwards, I'm also following. Yeah, that's it, guys. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe this video, guys. Thank you. Goodbye, guys. Bye.